$30 is what I spent for everything that I needed. Now, if I needed to change the air filter, then I would have had to spend more. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm T with RVC New, and today I'll be servicing my 14 kilowatt Kohler generator. The generator was actually broken for several months, from November until I think May. We just got it fixed a few weeks ago. I was gonna have somebody else do the service on it, but I decided to do it myself. Disclaimer, I am not a mechanic. I do not know anything about generators. Right now, I have it running, and just so I can get the oil to flow out a lot easier. I'm 100% off grid, so there's no way that this is gonna come on. My inverter could try to kick it on. However, that's why I'm gonna leave it in the off position. I'm also gonna disconnect the negative terminal. But before I get started, what are some of the things I'm gonna need to do my generator maintenance? Well, I'm gonna need some full synthetics. So I got some 5W30. Not really concerned about warranty or voiding the warranty. The generator broke with 11 months. So at this point, I'm okay taking my chances. So this is the drain tube or the drain hose. And that's the filter that I'm gonna be replacing. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that negative terminal. If you have any metal or jewelry on, it's probably a good idea to take those things off. There are two ports where you can fill the oil, one here and one here. So I'm gonna open the first one. And it's probably hard to see from where you are, but it's coming out and it's super clear. But this is gonna be my first maintenance. But in the meantime, while I have that going on, I'm gonna check the air filter. Now, I did not purchase an air filter, so even if it needs replacement, which it shouldn't, I won't be able to do it anyway, but at least I'll know. And then if that's the case, I can order it. Once you take your filter off, check inside the housing area to see if there's debris or anything, if yours does need cleaning. Like I said, this thing is damn near brand new. And honestly, it shouldn't have been broken. But put it back on, making sure that you put it with this facing to this side of the generator. It's still draining, but it's just a little bit that's coming out. Since you already have everything off, you might want to take this opportunity and just inspect your generator just to make sure that there's nothing going on that shouldn't be there. So you're looking for loose wires or anything. Be careful as you're working in here. This is your muffler. It is gonna be hot. So if you ran it before in order for the oil to run out, then you should anticipate that if you touch this, you could get burned. Don't forget to close the drain tube area. All right, now I gotta get this off. And now I'm gonna stick this up under here. Otherwise, you're gonna end up having to clean that area. So now I'm gonna take the new filter out of the box. I'm gonna take a little bit of oil from right in here where the old filter was. I'm gonna rub it around the seal, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You're just doing this hand tight. You're not using any tools on it. You're just putting it on with your hand. Bam, and she's done. Now, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, it's 1.9. However, I am going to only put about 1.5, and then I'm gonna check it. Your dipstick is right here. Now, honestly, the true test is gonna be, you're gonna put everything back together, run the engine, and then check it anyway. That's barely on there. We'll put some more in. So since you're here, one other thing that you might as well do at this point is check your terminals to make sure that they're clean. You might as well do your battery maintenance while you're here. I installed this little device here. It is a TP-Link A750. And what that does, it allows me to connect to my Wi-Fi, to connect to the app. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. When you put your terminal on, you want to check it. Just try to wiggle it, go side to side. Any type of plate in your terminal is not good. I change the oil, change the filter. I check my battery terminals. I check my air filter. I put my oil dipstick back in. I checked around the generator. If you need to clean it, this could be a good time to go ahead. Just make sure you get a broom, a rag or something and clean it out. I just did mine a few weeks ago. So I just ran it for about 2 minutes. Something to keep in mind when you pull your oil dipstick out, don't pull it out, flip it upside down. Yeah, I'm good. If I did anything wrong in the video, you know, I do plan on doing this myself going forward. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified next time I make a video. And if you live here in Baja, you know what it's like to get certified technicians to work on your stuff. So it makes sense to learn how to do stuff like this, because honestly, you never know how long you're going to wait for the technician to show up. As you can see, it was pretty easy to do. You can do it yourself. Adios.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below.